influence peddling. At the latter part of year 2000, numerous controversies hounded his administration, leading to the impeachment trial at the Senate, wherein towards the end or mid-January 2001, it was ended abruptly by the prosecutor's staged walkout or alleged staged walkout when the senators refused to open the document that supposedly will be used in the trial. Later on, he left Malacanang, and in April 25, 2001, he was arrested at his San Juan home following the Supreme Court's decision upholding the legality of the presidency of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. This arrest marked massive indignation from millions of his supporters, many of whom converged at the EDSA Shrine on the eve of May 1, 2001. A long drawn-out trial before Sandigan Bayan Special Decision occurred, and during this time, he was given the opportunity to voice out his position on the charges against him. The trial ended in a conviction wherein he was incarcerated for more than 6 years in the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Camp Kapinpin in Tanay, and finally in his Tanay rest house where he remained until he was freed on October 25, 2007 on the strength of an unconditional pardon. Today, our speaker, a private citizen, spends most of his hours making up for lost time visiting urban poor neighborhoods in what he calls Alakbay Pasasalamat or Thanksgiving Caravan to thank residents for their unstinting support for him despite being away for so long. He is known, again, as Erap. He is married to former Senator Dr. Luisa Pimentel, by whom he has 3 children, namely Jinggoy, who is now a senator of the Philippines, Jacqueline, and Jude. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, students, and guests, former President Joseph Marcelo Erap Ejercito Estrada.
Thank you very much, Professor Carl Ramota, for your very long introduction. Although I beg to disagree in what you said all about me, I want you to know that I love every word of it. Salamat. Anyway, medyo sinulat ko itong speech ko para wala akong makalimutan. Isa pong magandang hapon at mabuhay sa mga opisyal, mga kawani, mga mag-aaral at mga piling panahon ng Department of Social Sciences at Manila Studies Program ng College of Arts and Sciences of the University of the Philippines. Binabati ko po din ang Good Neighbors Initiative na nagpapakita ng malasakit para sa kaunlad ng ating komunidad sa distrito ng Ermita at Malate. Pinaabot ko din ang aking pagbati sa aking magiting na katunggali. Mukhang okay ka ngayon. Sabi nga niya, hindi daw 3 letters, hindi daw boxing. Pero huwag ka mag-ahamon, baka mapasubo ka. Relax lang tayo, para ating magiting na mayor at kumpare ko, Mayor Lim. Malugod po ako nagpapasalamat sa pagkakataong ito upang magpahayag ng aking programa para sa lungsod ng Maynila. Teka. bago po ako magpatuloy, baka makalimutan ko magaling sa akin Chancellor Dr. Manuel Dean Alex Gonzaga, Professor